What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco back in this bitch with a mad reaction. I see what I do to the people. We're there with none other than Mr. Live and Learn, Mr. Millions, Mr. Cold Streets. You already know what time it is. We're there with none other than 450. Yeah, man, gang. And it's a good look. He's back with his new track called What If. One that he previewed like a few days ago on IG on social media. It's really dope track, got a real deep meaning. Basically, it's like, what if I ain't got millions? What if I'm an artist? It's basically like a 21 question, like a 50 Cent 21 question. You see me? We're gonna check it out, see where Dagga deal with. I hear a lot of good stuff about the song and the video as well. So we gotta check it out and see where Dagga deal with it. You see me? We gotta check it out for ourselves, gang. So now we'll vibe much. I'm gonna jump right now. This is 450. What if? Let's get it. Come on, dog. He's a garbage man, dog, on the 95. Look at mix here, look at cool here, Spanish.
They say you love me up, say you're not tacky.
Yeah, that look like a Spanish man.
Suppose me was enough.
That's rude though, that's rude as hell, bitch. You ain't gonna drop no shit, hey girl. I want him to give a fuck if me a garbage man and a garbage like you. You're not gonna drop, hey girl, I want you. Nah,
Artist. Suppose me collect people garbage.
yeah.
I'm coulda do no better than farming.
Yeah.
Suppose me never have them millions.
First of all, nothing wrong with that 450. You see, if you're never artist, you see me and you pick up garbage, and couldn't do more than farming, brother. Nothing wrong with that. You see me, because enough of them man there, what? Farmers rich. You see me, the man who own the garbage company, he's a garbage man too, you know. Just because you own him a garbage man too and him have money. You see me, I say nothing wrong with your 9 to 5, you're solid, nothing wrong with the honest living. You see me, I say, so nobody can shame you. You see me, I say, I talk about what if me never did. Nobody can shame. If you do your 95 and you pay your bills and you make ends meet, nobody shame you and don't watch no face, keep doing your thing and strive. You see me? Yeah, man.
I'm a girl who that they are. Suppose me was a regular youth with us hustle and I sell things on the corner.
Yeah.
What if me back in the STS, so?
Nothing wrong
What
with
if
that.
me coulda pay for getting the hair done?
Yeah, man, what if? What go on?
What if me was an artist,
Yeah.
still a try boss and get my song them on the radio?
Yeah.
Would you love me for life?
Would you? I mean, I nothing. Broke and hungry and saying, would you? Would you love it? Would you love the G for the if I choose the G's as artist and money I make? What go on?
Like, if me get charged for a crime, would you go in front of the judge and lie? If me no do no time, just ask your kind.
Would you? Well, the girl them. You gotta take this stand and your life for your man. Because you know, say, yo, the man know how to do no higgleness. You see me and say, big up on yourself. And I really
Stop playing my mind, I want to know if you're talking.
I say, you know, in the front row, we don't kill this boy, I do no foolish, no, and that, me, I say. You see me, but if you know, say, man, honest, and he do things for a reason, and he end up saying, you have to do things to make sure the family good. Would you tell a lie? Mama? Talk.
Suppose me was an artist. Suppose me did I collect people garbage. I'm a cool do no better than sell some things to the market. Baby, would you?
Use a eagle, bro. You feel me? First of all, if you don't a market, I sell a little things them. You see me, a little goods them. Nothing wrong with that. Cause what? The highest paid profession in the world is sales. Alright? So nobody can shame me if bro. You see, if you're in a market and you say that thing that's honest living. You see me, you have your own business, you generate your own money. A lot of people cannot do that. You see me, I say nobody shame you. The most paid profession in the world, you see me, is sales, selling stuff. Why I think Jeff Bezos so rich? Why I think Elon Musk so rich? Because they all in the job of sales. It's just the product when they sell different. You see me, I say, so nobody can shame me, bro. You see me? Amazon is just a giant market, you know, on the internet, you know. You see me, I say, so nobody can shame me if you did down in a market and sell the goods and my ref make ends meet. Nobody shame me, bro. That's an honest living. You feel me? And to me, you better than most of the people who work at 95 because you have your own business, you generate your own money. You see me? Yeah, man, you live, you know, you have to depend on a boss and a job if you don't pay a check, you generate your own. So big up on yourself.
Would you call me? Would you call me? Would you love me till in my 40s? Or would you be your next crisis? You link up.
Y'all are the man that's doing a dog. Me don't want a girl do, you know, because me don't want no girl, you know, brother. You see me, I can't come give me the attitude, the girl. Hey, girl, move up if they know more than me. The dog say, look at jelly, man. You want the jelly for buy? The dog come sell the jelly and go end up winning the face. We end up a winner in a dog face. You're not the manners, man, hey, girl.
Now my 40s. How would you be your next?
You don't you feel ugly. You're going to get pretty, hey, girl. Move up.
Curses. Your link up size, my call you for fuck. But would you do the same if my broke?
All them girls, you make money if you look on them, bro. You see me and say, you make them girls kiss her shoes. You see me kiss her, they come your rap and dash them girls one side, man. After she didn't see you when you're down, me G. So I see him, so now when you're up, if you go back to nothing, you know, she gone, you know, I want to man.
Suppose me.
We don't have the money, man, to look on certain girl, man.
To live in a board or sort with basing fence, with you still cock it up. How them place them on forward from.
Look at that. That's styly dog. I don't know, you look up your dog on social media. Move up, hey!
Suppose me never find it song. Suppose you didn't meet me and not
450, don't you dare deal with the girl, I know. Because them things I make them girl validated and make them feel like they're right now. Things them wouldn't do. Go girl that treat you. Go girl that deal with you. I know you have money and I see you on there, bro. Make her move up.
I'm enough, but I still be the one. You say you love me up, say you're not talking. Suppose me was an artist. Suppose me collect people garbage. And me coulda do no better than farming.
Hey, I want you. But me never artist. You see me, me collect people garbage. I couldn't do nothing better than farming. What would you think of me? How would I deal with me? You that deal with me good or that deal with me in the jungle? Why go and talk to me, man? You see me?
Suppose me never have
there for the vanity. Why go and
millions, yeah. Tell me girl who that they are. Suppose me was a regular youth with us hustle and I say.
No, you dash garbage for the dog. Lock your window for the dog and know you in a club of pre-dog, a daydream.
Things on the corner. Girl thing at the least are nothing new to me. Just I wonder if you see me as an opportunity.
Facts. You see me, girl thing me used to nothing new to me. I just want to know if you see me or you see me as an opportunity, girl. I'm here, man, I rate that. Hey.
Youth with us hustle and I sell things on the corner. Girl thing at the least are nothing new to me. Just I wonder if you see me as an opportunity.
Facts. Tuno, man. I know it's enough for no waste boy when I used to get it. You see me, I make a little money and I run and deal with a girl with 5 pounds. Or piece pound if you nip on road that they down the need little liquid for shave on life. You see me? Yeah, man, no not girl clothes, no just come, man. You see me? You see youth were born and growing a girl thing and used to deal with girl. Now make them thing a girl can style and go on like say. You see me? Yeah, you say you look no clown, we lack self-esteem and as soon as you make look money, run gang say, oh, do you see me now? Do you like me now? Move up!
Hustle and I sell things on the corner. Girl thing at the least are nothing new to me. Just I wonder if you see me as an opportunity.
Facts, come in.
I hope you love me for me and not for whom I be.
Yeah, I hope you love it for me and not for whom I be. Not for I don't know the difference. Yes,
I hope you love me for life and not for 2 minutes. Tell me what you need, not tell me foolish. Tell me how you feel, my mama used to this. No.
Just take that and go dog that out right now. Take her and go dog her out and then dash her one side.
Without you, I still feel the same. Me just wanna know how my pick. Suppose me was an artist. Suppose me collect people garbage. And I coulda do no better
than farming. Hey.
Than farming. Suppose me never have them millions, yeah.
Suppose me never have them millions, yeah. Oh God.
Tell me girl who that they are.
Nah, them girl wouldn't there, man. They cut and gone a long time. Well, the fake ones them anyway.
Suppose me was a regular.
Oh, I thought that. Youth
with us hustle and I sell things on the corner.
You know, dog shit, man. Move up, girl. What? Yeah, man, we don't rate any girl like that. I'm to you about 450. Right, the concept. You see me? It's like 50 cent, 21 questions, gang. No joke. It's like 50 cent, 21 questions. And he's like, if I was you, no. Would you love me? So good. Would you love me? It's basically the same thing. So shout out to 450. That's smart. That's basically the Jamaican version of 21 questions, man. But yeah, man, real dope track. 450 keep doing his thing, bro. You see me keep making some solid tune. Not a chop or guzo inside. What me say? Not a chop or guzo mentioned inside. Nowhere. It did all three and a half minutes. No guzo, no chopping. Rate that 450. Big up your damn self, bro. You see me I bring back subject matter and thing. You know what I'm saying? I come up with some relatable topics. You see me some, relationship, the ups and the downs. You know what I'm saying? You see me the journey. Yeah, them niggas just want to talk about be a chopping and guzzle this and guzzle that and rap, but don't get me wrong. At times those songs are necessary and fun. But for everybody that every day, every second, every song? No man. I feel a little change and a little difference, man. At 450 I bring the change and difference. Even with him stage performance and things. So 450 big up your damn self, keep putting in the work, my G. You see me? You did great 2023, so 2024, man. Hey, you can do even better. Probably even lock it for yourself, gang. You see me answer? So you don't know, gang. Go Jambisco. Till next time. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.